Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Crystal. Today I will be showing you how to make these super easy baked chicken enchiladas. For the enchilada sauce, you will need a quarter teaspoon of dried oregano, a quarter onion, 1 garlic clove, pepper, salt, 4 chiles guajillo, and 4 chiles anchos. You will also need corn tortillas. I am using Guerrero tortillas. You will also need shredded chicken. Here I have half a chicken breast. And you will also need shredded cheese. I am using taco blend cheese. Allow for your chiles to boil until soft. Once done, add them to the blender along with the garlic clove and quarter onion, as well as 3 cups of water, and blend all together. Once that is blended all together, go ahead and strain the sauce into a saucepan. I added an extra half cup of water to the blender and shook it up so that I could get all that extra sauce out. Once the sauce has come to a slow boil, you will then add in the quarter teaspoon of dried oregano, and you will also go ahead and season with pepper and salt to taste. Once the enchilada sauce has boiled for a couple of minutes, remove from heat and set aside. Place a pan over medium heat, add some oil, and allow for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add in a tortilla and allow it to fry for a few seconds. I would say about 5 to 10 seconds. This is the first tortilla, so it will take a little longer for it to fry. One way I like to know I can flip it, it's when it starts bubbling up. As you can see, there are a few bubbles on the top already, so I will go ahead and turn it and leave it on this side for an additional 5 seconds. After a few seconds, remove the tortilla and set it aside as you continue to fry the rest. I will show you this step one more time. Add in a tortilla, move it around a little so the oil gets on top. And as you can see, those bubbles are starting to puff up. And I will flip the tortilla and leave it on this side for a few more seconds. Move it around a little. And that looks good enough for me, so I will take it out and set it aside. I have fried all my tortillas. I went ahead and poured some enchilada sauce into this baking dish, and now I will begin assembling my enchiladas. Take a tortilla and place it in the dish, and begin adding the shredded chicken. You can add as much chicken as you want. I like for my enchiladas to be pretty stuffed, and you will also be adding in some of that shredded taco blend cheese. Next, you will roll your tortilla and try to be careful with it. You don't want your tortilla to rip. Once that's all rolled up, leave it seam side down and slide it to the end of the dish. You will continue adding tortillas and rolling them until you have made the amount of enchiladas that you like. Again, you will add in the shredded chicken. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then the shredded cheese. And you will again roll the tortilla carefully, leaving it seam side down and sliding it to the end of the dish. Once they are all rolled up, take some of the sauce and pour it over the enchiladas so that your enchiladas don't dry when you bake them. This step is optional. I had some extra shredded chicken, So I went ahead and added it on top of the enchiladas. And next you will add on the shredded cheese. Add as much cheese as you like. I love cheesy enchiladas, so I will be covering all of the enchiladas with cheese. And this step is also optional. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some more sauce over the cheese. That's just because I have extra sauce, but you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Lastly, you will take some aluminum foil and cover your baking dish, and you will preheat your oven to 365 degrees and bake your enchiladas for 15 minutes covered and 10 minutes uncovered. The enchiladas are done baking, and this is what they should look like. Allow them to sit for about 2 to 3 minutes and then you can serve. I have accompanied my enchiladas with a small salad of lettuce, tomatoes, and purple onions, but you can choose whatever sides you like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to make baked chicken enchiladas. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. And thank you guys so much for watching Cooking with Crystal.